friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now, I'm going to talk about some of the best tips and tricks that can help you fix can't connect to App Store error in iOS 14 on your iPhone or iPad. Whether you are unable to download any app in App Store or you find this error appearing time and time again, these tips can prove to be pretty helpful. That said, let's get started. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. The very first trick that I would recommend you to try out is to turn on airplane mode and then turn it off after some time, as this trick has worked for me many a time in fixing can't connect to App Store error. I hope that it clicks for you as well, so give it a try. Another thing that I would recommend you to do is to check the system status page. Check Apple system status page to find out if there is an outage for a service in your country or region. At times, Apple system page goes through a sudden outage. That's why make sure to check out. And if there is an outage, wait for some time until it gets over. If you are still getting the can't connect to App Store error, then it's time to check the internet connection. I would suggest you to turn off cellular or Wi-Fi and then restart your device. After that, head into the settings and then turn on cellular or Wi-Fi and then open App Store and then try to download or install any app as usual to see if the problem is gone. If it has, then you are good to go. If the problem has not yet been sorted out, then it's time to reset the network. Many a time, resetting the network can help you fix network-related issues. That's why I suggest you to give it a shot as well. To get it done, launch Settings app on your iPhone, and then you have to tap on General. Then you have to scroll down and tap on Reset. Now you have to enter your device passcode and then hit Reset Network Settings and confirm. It's worth keeping in mind that it will delete all network settings and return them to factory default, so keep it in your mind before trying to wipe out all the network settings. Once you have reset network settings on your device, connect to a stable internet connection. After that, launch App Store to see if the problem has been sorted out. If it has, then it's time to rejoice. If none of the solutions have worked for you in fixing this annoying issue, then it's time to go for a software update. More often than not, Apple releases software updates to fix bugs or even improve performance. That's why it's always recommended to keep the software updated to the latest iOS version. To get it done, launch the Settings app, then you have to tap on General, then you have to tap on Software Update, and then you have to download and install the latest version of iOS on your device. That's pretty much it. Hopefully you have been able to fix this annoying issue on your iPhone or iPad. If you have found this guide helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such helpful tips and tricks. Till then, have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.